No two locks on your head is the same, so you're not going to get your locks exactly the same like someone else. You understand? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You know it's a girl Shabby B. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit us. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and also drop a comment down in the comment section below, and also go over and follow me on Instagram at Shabby_B. Yes, so to the video, I'm just winging it or whatever, like things you need to know before you start your lot journey. So part size has a lot to do with it. It's basically a foundation, you understand? It has a lot to do with it. So before you start your journey, know what size locks you want. Know that it's either big, medium. Wait, you have sister locks, which are the really small ones, small locks, small, medium, regular locks, and also thick locks and wicks. Yeah. Know your size, you understand? Remember, you can start small and go big like I did. You understand? I had 156 and now 165, and now I am at 58 locks. Yeah, so you can start small and go big, but you cannot go from big to small. You understand? You would have to basically cut them off and start all over again. Yeah. So know your lock size, know what you want. Alright, step 2, know your hair type. What hair type do you have? And we traditionally have this mentality to say, well, more man like her, but at the same time, if you have 4C here and that person have a 4A, you might not have the same result as that person, or a 3B or support. You understand? If you have different hair texture, the result won't even compare to theirs in no familiar way. And that's number 3. Please don't compare a lot journey. I understand that you will see a picture and have some lot goals and people respond the internet where you would say, I would really like my locks to be like that, but at the same time you like your locks to be like that, but they're not going to be exact. Like no two locks on your head is the same, so you're not going to get your locks exactly the same like someone else. You understand? So that's number 3. Don't compare and say more be like that person. Step 4, research. Do your research, do your research, do your research. And I'm not saying these in any specific order, just do your research. Find out what you need to find out about the lot journey. It's a beautiful journey, but just find out what you need to find out so you can navigate this journey much easier with the knowledge that you gain from researching. You understand? There are a lot of videos out there, trust me, enough. You understand? That's out there, so you can go ahead, watch some YouTube video, go and find some lovely lock pages, follow them on Instagram. They do share very good content that, you know, will educate you based on lock journey. So do that. You understand? Do your research. Know that the journey has different stages. You understand? Know that the journey has different stages. So if you start with your hair as this nice high puff, like when you do it and you get a nice shoulder length, afterwards it will shrivel up and you will lose maybe even half of that length, trust me. And then you do have a frizzy stage. You have where it starts to bud, you understand? And it's not the cutest. So if you're not really that person, think about if you want to start. You understand? If you're really not that person, should I start my journey because I can't manage that stage here or whatever? Am I willing to go through this journey stage by stage? You understand? Yes. Think about that. And also things that like products that you put in your locks have a lot to do with it. As I said before, research, you understand? So the products that you put in your locks have a lot to do with it. Remember, you're not pulling out your locks, washing them and putting them back in or whatever, like how you would do braids or whatever. They will be in permanently. So whatever you put in your locks, if it is not really a good product or anything and something that is really and truly for luck or whatever, it will like leave build up and residue and so, and that don't look good, and that's just not good overall. You understand? Things being stuck in your hair, you already have lint to think about. You don't have to go think about product. You understand? Like that should be the furthest thing from your mind when you have lint for your deal with. You understand? I stick to my oil and water, but as of lately I did start using Shine and Jam, the purple container, but I originally wanted the red container. Never get that. But Shine and Jam, I see where that is a good product. I'm not recommending it to say yes, go and get that. You understand? You just have to try out and see what works for you, what's best for your hair type, what just do what you want it to do. You understand? Yeah. So products. You understand? Products. Okay. Step 6 or 7. I'm not sure I'm lose count. But the next step is what maintenance technique are you going to use? So think on it. You have palm roll, retwist, and interlocking. I really actually miss the palm roll and retwist like the same thing. Nobody no bash me, please. But I and also crochet, palm roll, interlocking, crochet, retwist. Yes, so palm rolling is basically just with the hair, you understand, and then doing whatever to keep it in place. Retwist, and I don't use comb to say the retwist or whatever, so retwist you just go in a clockwise direction. Interlocking is what I'm doing for maintenance right now. I might change my mind because I don't really know what I feel about interlocking when it comes on to my thick locks. I didn't want to interlock for my small locks because I wanted my locks to look fuller for the part size that I had. You understand? Now that I have a bigger part size, maybe interlocking can work because retwist just not work for me. You understand? When I retwist, it's like I did nothing. Like I can't bother. So I switch over to interlocking. Get a little close up of what that looks like. See, yeah, you bring it and you go through and you use the little latch and all of that. Yes, that's interlocking. And crochet, I wanted to do crochet, but I don't know if to do it, so I just have to work with what I know to do. You understand? Crochet, you basically use a crochet hook. I bought mine on Amazon, and basically it just knot up the hair. If that's the correct reference I should use, please don't know my shoe. But basically what it does, like it just pull the hair through and you rotate the hair meanwhile you're doing it, so you don't get a flat look or you keep on pulling it from one side or anything. You understand? That's the crochet method. That's that. You understand? Yes. So I'm not about anything. So I'm not about anything. Well, that's it, guys. And don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for another video. Hope you learned something today. See you soon.